Hello guys, do you know that Windows can remember everything you copy? Let me show you just that. So right here, if I click here, this is the code I'm working on. I'll do a video about this project. So if I copy this, Ctrl C to copy, and if I go over here and say, let me paste this right here. If I actually want to copy something else, I copy this one again. Let's say I copy this line of code and drop it here. So now what happens is Windows forgets the other one I copied. So I can't have access to it. But in this quick tutorial, you will learn how to enable clipboard history in Windows, so you can access multiple copied items instead of just one. So how do you do that? You press Windows V on your keyboard. You see this clipboard here. You click on turn on and it turns on. You see you have this last one. So right here, if I come over here, I can copy as many code as I want. I can copy this, Ctrl C, copy, come down here, Ctrl C again, copy, and Ctrl C again, copy. So while I go back to my code right here, you can see that I can paste Ctrl V. Now if I press Windows V, is that a shortcut to access all your previous copy. You see the clipboard history right here. I can have access to other files that I've copied. You just click on it and it pastes. So you do it again, Windows V, and it opens again. You can now right click and click select the previous one. So this is actually how it keeps track of your clipboard history. If the clipboard history is off, you can actually turn it on by just pressing Windows V. If it's not on from here, you can actually go to your settings, turn it on from your settings, clipboard from here. So you have it at this way, you can actually turn it on from here. So it copies all your files. Then you can actually have option to synchronize it with all devices that have access to Microsoft account. You just need to turn this on, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.